A high-stakes launch goes awry. On March the 6th, 2025, SpaceX's Starship rocket, the crown jewel of Elon Musk's ambitious space exploration program, experienced a catastrophic failure during its eighth test flight. The incident, which occurred shortly after liftoff from SpaceX's Starbase in Boca Chica, Texas, not only marked another setback for the aerospace giant, but also had far-reaching consequences for air travel across Florida. The explosion, described by SpaceX as a rapid, unscheduled disassembly, sent shockwaves through the aerospace industry and raised questions about the challenges of developing next-generation spacecraft. The incident unfolded during the rocket's ascent burn, approximately 8 minutes into the flight. Despite the successful recovery of the booster, the Starship lost altitude control, spun out of control, and ultimately exploded. The fallout from the explosion was immediate, with debris impacting air travel and prompting the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, to ground flights at multiple airports. This event underscores the inherent risks of space exploration and the delicate balance between innovation and safety. The incident. A moment-by-moment breakdown. The launch began with the usual fanfare, as SpaceX's live stream captured the Starship's powerful ascent into the sky. The rocket's Raptor engines roared to life, propelling the massive spacecraft toward the heavens. For the first few minutes, everything appeared to be proceeding according to plan. The booster successfully separated and was caught back at the tower, a significant milestone in reusable rocket technology. However, trouble began brewing roughly 8 minutes into the flight. SpaceX's communications manager, Dan Hewitt, noted during the live webcast that several engines had cut off. "We just saw some engines go out. It looks like we are losing altitude control of the ship," Hewitt explained. The spacecraft began to spin uncontrollably, and moments later, communication was lost. The live feed captured the dramatic moment when the Starship exploded in midair, scattering debris across the sky. SpaceX later released a statement on X, formerly Twitter, confirming that the vehicle had experienced a rapid, unscheduled disassembly during its ascent burn. The company also revealed that an energetic event in the aft portion of the Starship had caused the loss of several Raptor engines, leading to the catastrophic failure. Impact on air travel, chaos in the skies. The explosion had immediate repercussions for air travel, particularly in Florida. According to reports from CNN, The Hill, and the New York Times, flights from major airports such as Miami International Airport, Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport, and Philadelphia International Airport were delayed due to concerns over space launch debris. Smaller airports serving West Palm Beach, Fort Lauderdale, and Orlando were also affected. The FAA swiftly activated a debris response area, slowing or stopping aircraft in the vicinity of the falling debris. In a statement, the FAA explained that it had taken these measures to ensure the safety of passengers and crew. While normal operations have since resumed, the incident highlights the potential risks posed by space launches to commercial aviation. SpaceX's response: a commitment to learning. In the aftermath of the explosion, SpaceX moved quickly to address the situation. The company released a detailed statement on its website, acknowledging the incident and outlining its next steps. Prior to the end of the ascent burn, an energetic event in the aft portion of Starship resulted in the loss of several Raptor engines. The statement read, "SpaceX emphasized that the debris had fallen within the pre-planned debris response area and that the team had implemented contingency responses to mitigate the impact." The company also reiterated its commitment to learning from each test flight. "As always, success comes from what we learn, and today's flight will offer additional lessons to improve Starship's reliability," the statement said. SpaceX vowed to review the data from the flight to identify the root cause of the failure and make necessary improvements. Historical context. A pattern of challenges. This is not the first time SpaceX's Starship has encountered difficulties. The rocket has a history of explosive test flights, with the most recent incident occurring in January 2025. During that flight, debris from the explosion fell over Turks and Caicos, prompting the island nation's government to issue an advisory statement. The recurring nature of these incidents underscores the immense technical challenges of developing a spacecraft as ambitious as Starship. Despite these setbacks, SpaceX remains undeterred. The company views each failure as an opportunity to gather valuable data and refine its technology. This iterative approach has been a hallmark of SpaceX's philosophy, enabling the company to achieve groundbreaking milestones such as the first privately funded spacecraft to dock with the International Space Station, ISS, and the successful launch of the Falcon Heavy. The broader implications, innovation versus safety. The explosion of the Starship raises important questions about the balance between innovation and safety in the aerospace industry. On one hand, SpaceX's willingness to take risks has driven significant advancements in space technology. On the other hand, incidents like this highlight the potential dangers posed by experimental launches, particularly when they impact commercial aviation in populated areas. The FAA's decision to order a mishap investigation underscores the need for rigorous oversight in the aerospace sector. While SpaceX has made remarkable progress in reducing the cost of space travel and advancing reusable rocket technology, ensuring the safety of both crewed missions and the general public must remain a top priority. Looking ahead, the future of Starship. Despite the latest setback, SpaceX remains committed to the Starship program. The rocket is a key component of the company's long-term vision, which includes missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Starship is also integral to NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the lunar surface by the mid-2020s. The data gathered from this test flight will play a crucial role in shaping the future of Starship. By identifying and addressing the root cause of the failure, SpaceX hopes to improve the rocket's reliability and move closer to achieving its ambitious goals. As Elon Musk has often said, failure is an option here. If things are not failing, you are not innovating enough. Conclusion: a step back, but not the end. The explosion of SpaceX's Starship on March 6, 2025, serves as a stark reminder of the challenges inherent in space exploration. While the incident has undoubtedly set back the program, it also provides valuable lessons that will inform future developments. SpaceX's ability to learn from failure and persevere in the face of adversity has been a defining characteristic of its success. As the aerospace industry continues to push the boundaries of what is possible, incidents like this underscore the importance of balancing innovation with safety. The road to the stars is fraught with challenges, but with each setback, humanity moves one step closer to realizing its cosmic ambitions.